Remember one, but you see a fish. You have to go ahead. You get fish, see your fish.
Never see such
See your fish is still here, so what's the name?
Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play through. Only cause you set up the angle. Web that you weave got us tangled. Caught in what's before our eyes. Show off your fantasy reality. Whoa, that's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the
Welcome back to our channel. On today's challenge,
we are going to be having a Conger fish and Dodo challenge. So these are all our food we are going to be eating. So guys, we are going to be finishing the whole of this food. So each person is going to be taking his or her fish with Dodo. So this Dodo, you are going to be taking the one you know you can finish. Because when you take anything, you must finish it, including the fish. So wait, which count? Drop it down. 100 this thing.
I'm going to be the champ.
No, which? Wait, champ.
I'm always the champ.
Are you speaking Oyibo, British, English here? Champ.
No,
Nah, champion, I know. You are going to be the champion. No, me will be the champion. Why you will be the champ? Okay? So guys, without wasting much of your time, we're going to be diving into the video right now. And please guys, if it's your first time seeing our video or coming across our channel, this is Precious and Family TV. You are highly welcome. And also, if you know you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please, thanks for your support. Kindly subscribe to this channel and also turn on your notification bell in case we upload a video. Two of us,
you'll be the first.
You'll be the first to be notified. And also, please share our video, like, comment. We love you all. Right now we'll be starting our challenge without wasting your time. Babe, bring the plate. Bring your plate, No, even take one plate. Let me take, because I'll be using this big plate. I'll be using this big one. So take your own. You know, say I'm man first. Wait, okay, wash your hand. Wait now. Wash your hand.
I don't wash my hand.
Wash your hand.
I'm going to go restaurants and now.
Now don't be the big one. So if you lick your hand. Wait, okay. This is mine. Oh yeah, take your Dodo.
Mine.
Tea hot. Guys, I have my lemon juice right here, which I will be applying on this thing.
Medicine after death. Now you do so.
Remember, anything when you take, now you will finish. Join us, guys. We are about to this food right now, right away. Here's our sauce. If you need sauce, you take sauce.
This one says the spicy, the pepper sauce for me.
You know who? Wait, may I pray first?
Pray, you know what church this morning? You just came out from church now.
Let me just sterilize this thing first because of the.
You want to kill the fat?
Yes, ma'am. I don't want to be big. You know? The lamb can make the skin sweet. You're trying that for your.
Are you sure?
I don't like the taste of the lamb together.
Sorry.
The lamb can't give up a bad juice. Remember, you must finish everything. Remember, you must finish everything.
Concentrate on your own.
Don't bend my hand.
That's the walk of life. That's the walk of life, sorry.
Oh, this thing is sweet, sure. With lamb. Conger fish. The way you take the eat your own, you wait, wait on you.
I'll bite you on.
Wait.
Enjoy your life.
The lamb, the taste of the lamb. Make it sweet.
Lamb is sweet.
Lamb is sweet for food, or sweet for food. It's sweet for food. This is how they like.
Sorry.
Yes, ma'am. Not your
I
miss.
drank lamb this morning. I took lamb on it. You know.
I don't know.
That
one now.
You dey run for lamb.
That one a bone. A delicious lamb.
You know we take lamb without honey.
Oh, let me up with a bright smile on now. Me in the dark, so won't get lost now. To the moonlight, I see you. Real right now. You look into my eyes and fell love feeling.
Ah, not what people you want come from go people.
I do that.
But wait, I don't put that not what I give you. Not try am.
What is this? No?
Not what I give you. I don't give you for wait.
What is this?
No, not what I
But I
give you.
did.
Now two I give you. Two when I give you, give me two
I
back.
cannot finish. No, I only
Which
take
one?
one. Extra. Give me one.
Take. Guys, you want to do me a joke? Do me passion.
Come
This
here,
thing
I
na
tell
two
you.
hand I
Now I
want
tell
to
you
use.
where I for go learn. Where you know where.
Two hand.
When you want to, you learn how to teach you. Talk to them. Confide to them.
Remember, you finish everything.
Teach your own. You tell who you do.
You finish everything. Help me remove this thing when I put off.
No, my hand is dirty.
It's disturbing me.
Don't worry. Look, don't say if I put this smelling line. Please.
I'm not pull lamp for your phone. Babe, wait now. I don't need water.
So, you will need them. Food is up.
Give me.
I eat the biggest fish.
Eat what you go.
Eat your own. Stop juggling. Complaining. Eat body one, eat body one. You never even eat your own. You did it.
Wait, slow down.
I'm not going to enjoy me. Leave me alone. Let me enjoy my food.
At times, man go still pretend say you lose.
No,
The woman go win. You all not be like that.
they don't challenge me next time. Let me always be the winner.
Bon, don't shoot me for truth.
Sorry, drink water, drink water. Drink water.
My truth.
Let me call the kids. Hey, there's some fun.
Only people don't shoot me for truth.
Wait for me and wash my hand.
Wash.
Wait for me and wash my hand and relax. Go and relax on that chair.
Later you see it's J. Kelly.
Surrender. Don't put like. Don't try that.
Me, I'm not there.
Tell me try. Give me
Take the sugar yourself.
you come for water.
She said you're strong. Because of this, when you're supposed to eat, I don't eat them. Now for me, take tissue.
For around here.
Come on, take your team back, my friend.
Listen,
Take your team, my friend. Then you take me to my duty.
she for that place.
Stop for waiting. See, no, only, no, just,
You
no.
stop
Only-
fine to.
Take your team. And the family I want dump this one, put me there. See, we put this one at your own.
Don't carry that line something.
Which lime something? This one at your own.
I bet your mouth.
Leave my mouth now, pen.
Clear your mouth and you listen. Hey, wife.
See, this one at your own. See, not try and not put two. Now what I put for you now?
Stop.
Only stop. 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 Stop.
See, you never even chop anything. You're there. Eat. You must finish. See,
Take.
you must finish this plantain.
I take your plantain with me.
You must finish. They have fish here. You never know anything.
See your own, you shop here.
Yeah. I want to chop here.
You must shop here. Normally, you need to shop everything.
Chop your own. Make it like this. Bishop, don't challenge me next time. Don't challenge me again. Just, if you want to just look like the winner. Are you okay?
Which okay? I'm not giving up. You never shop your own finish.
And you go finish everything, eh? You can't tell me something. You can't tell me that you don't go finish that one.
Oh, let me up with a bright smile on now.
I don't shoot.
So won't get lost now.
Don't drink all the water.
Moonlight, I see
You want eating?
you real right now. You look
See the way you eat everything. If they give you off camera, no, you know official farm.
Is it your business?
But if you take camera, you go dey chop. So you dey pretend.
Second planting, you have to finish that planting. You not stand up for this.
May I finish the plantain?
Yes, you don't stand up for this. You don't stand up. Since you don't want to give up.
I'm not giving up.
Oh, they there. They go miss her. I don't. I will wait for you. Eat.
I'm eating it now. You know so the thing where I say later.
I wait for you. Maybe eat.
Which one they wait for me?
I wait for you. I only have 3, so I need to wait.
Now the same motor that we later.
If you don't get 3, I will continue.
No, you don't use that. You go eat your own.
No. You as you guys can see, I'm the winner.
Who give you champagne? Which shop?
Continue. Catch me. Yes, catch me. I only have 3 months. Go ahead. And your fish knows. Catch me if you can. Go ahead. If I can 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3,
Wait!
4, 5,
You have to take cut off.
6,
If you want to take the cut off, you want to.
7, 8. I see the 6.
Now, let's not be so they take the cut off. They throw zero for that country.
9. I'm not doing a zero. I'm giving it 9 and a half.
They do a zero for that
9
country.
and a half. 9 and a quarter. 9 and
If
some
they
cents.
just leave you,
9 and a half. 9 and a half. 10.
for waiting.
You know, I'm not here.
But I don't tell me say 10. That's the cut off. Maybe like
Yeah,
that.
we have to remain fisher. You have to, you know, you still get 1. Oh, yeah, go ahead.
No trial.
Go ahead. You remember 1, but you see our fish.
Let me up with a bright smile
I'm going. You get fish, see your fish.
Never see that.
See your fish is still here. So what's in it? Go. Your fish looking like.
Now the head remain. It's many the head I win. Because I'm the first person to put the last dodo in my mouth.
Start getting this way. I want to do challenges. You are doing mountain challenge. Doing well because how can you boost and you say that you are the winner? Look at your own.
Which English they say ladies first?
For where you come from? Ladies
Anything
first.
we want to not be ladies first.
Yeah, what you want?
So as we do this thing, ladies first.
To do what? The winner will be because they do that. The loser will come with ladies first.
Men first, men last, ladies first. Anything.
My dear, not be so. That English now upside down. When they say ladies first, they have the meaning of ladies first. Like when we wanted to start, ladies first, you can start. Go ahead.
But you wait me I start.
Okay.
You wait.
This is competition.
You don't wait. Everybody carry your own bicycle.
I will tell you your own bicycle.
You wait, you don't wait.
Carry so you guys can see.
I want this game.
You guys can see how I'm doing. Sorry.
At least I tried. It's many Jesus.
And your life.
It's many this one and this one. I finished everything. This I tried.
Okay.
Although the leak is not play to allow everything finish.
Okay.
If you dey off camera, like you know, but if you dey here, I don't know what will happen. It is well. So thank you. This thing is hot.
See you guys.
Wait.
See you guys on our next video. We love you all, guys.
We love you guys. We'll see you all in our next video. Please, guys, do not forget to share, like, comment to our video, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel. We'll see you in our next video. Oh yeah. Bye bye.
That's all.